Hello, this is Sakshi from Beverly Golf Avenue, Mohali. We are located in Sector 65, just 0 kilometers away from Chandigarh. Today I'm going to give you the presentation of our 3 BHK plus servant apartment with a square feet of 2652. So for each 2 flats on every floor, we have 2 lifts. One is passenger lift and one is service lift. This is a common lobby. This is a well lit and spacious lobby shared by the 2 apartments. It has an area of 25.2 by 7 and has a ceiling height of 10 feet. So now we have given an entrance of servant room, separate entrance for the servant room, and the exit is in the balcony attached to the kitchen. So now I'm going to show you the central flat. Our chugathe is on RO chamfered, doors are on seasoned wood. So as we enter this foyer area, and you may see the hallway through the foyer area. It has an area of 8.9 by 9.10 square feet and a ceiling height of 10 feet. Now just adjacent to this foyer area, we have a guest room with an attached restroom and a private cozy balcony. It is designed keeping in mind the privacy comfort of our guests. The area of this room is 11 by 14 square feet. Flooring is covered with the Italian marble finish vitrified tiles. The restroom attached here is 5 by 8 square feet in size, and the flooring is of anti-skid tiles and the fittings are of Grohe brand. This balcony that you're looking at is 6 feet wide and is facing towards golf. It is also a balcony blessed with a sunrise view. Now we move to the lounge area. So as we proceed through our dream home, you shall see how the carpet area is devised, ensuring the maximum utilization of the available space. This is our lounge area which also shares the dining space. It serves 2 purposes. It gives you a spacious room to accommodate a large gathering. Also, you can have a family time here. The area of this room is 12 by 21 square feet. Also, I must tell you that there are 2 flats on each floor. The ventilation is through and through. So the best part about this property is that we have given a separate living room area which is 13.8 by 17 square feet. The way it is placed, it gives enough private space to you and your guests while giving desirable space for the children at home. So it has an attached balcony which is 6 feet wide and is facing towards golf. The balcony is shared with the master bedroom, so it makes this balcony huge and promising. This is a balcony which is blessed with a sunrise view and is facing towards golf. Now just beside this living area, we have a master bedroom. Now we enter this master bedroom which is 11.6 by 17 square feet. So we are going to give you the luxury wooden flooring in this master bedroom, and the wardrobe spaces we have provided in the restroom area. So the restroom has an entrance like walk-in wardrobe. The restroom attached is 8 by 12 square feet. The restroom here is 8 by 12 square feet. The restroom is privileged with a neatly placed bathtub, standalone shower cubicle. Fittings are of Grohe brand and flooring is of anti-skid tiles. This master bedroom has an attached balcony which is the shared balcony which we just saw. The master bedroom has an attached balcony which is a running balcony. It is a shared balcony with the living room area. It makes it huge and promising. So now we are going to move to the 3rd bedroom of this apartment, which is the children bedroom. This is our 3rd bedroom, which is children bedroom. It is 11.6 by 13 square feet in size. Alright, the children bedroom has an attached balcony which is 6 feet wide and it is standalone balcony. Now I'm going to show you the third restroom, which is 6 by 8 square feet in size. The fittings are of Grohe brand and flooring is of Antiskid tiles. Now we enter the most promising space of every family, which is kitchen. So we have provided the hydraulic cabinet doors for the hassle-free functioning. And if we see the drawers, they are equipped with the modern fittings. All the fittings are of Hetic brand. Kitchen countertop is of granite, which is ACE and leading in the interior market trend. Electric current points for the kitchen appliances are placed appropriately. So the area of this kitchen is 8.6 by 14. It has an attached balcony, which can also be used as a wet balcony. And it is connected to the servant room. The exit of the servant room is in this balcony. It gives you the privilege of privacy. Whenever you wish to give your domestic help a little access to your room, you can just lock the kitchen and the entire home is your private space. Oh, now I'm going to show you the servant room. As I told you earlier that we have given a separate entrance to the servant room, which is from the common lobby. Servant room is 5.10 by 11 square feet, designed for the comfort of your domestic help room. It has an attached restroom equipped as per the standard maintained. Also, it is connected to the balcony, which is connected to the kitchen as well. Yeah. So it has an attached balcony, which is the same balcony connected to the kitchen. It will give you the privacy. Whenever you wish to go out, you can just lock the kitchen and entire house will be your private space. Also, it will not disturb your daily house chores. As you see, we have designed this project with proper study over layout to get the maximum utilization of the available space and giving due consideration towards applying the science of the Vastu Shastra and ensuring of having cross ventilation in the whole property. So with this we end our tour. I hope you like our property. So with this we end our tour. I hope you like our property and do come here to have a look at this luxurious property. Thanks for watching.